Mario. My idea. This project was inspired by Mario video games. What I really like about it is how the map looks. The features I wanted to have in my project are coins, enemies, and teleport. How I created my project. I used Unity to build my project and C# to code it. During class, I learned how to make the teleporters and the enemies, uh, which I used in my project. I used the teleporter to get to the other side of the game. To I used enemies to catch the player. Here's an code example. Here's an example of code I wrote for my project. The code on the right shows the teleport logic. The code below shows the enemy hurting the player. Demo. So this is my character, and this is the teleporter, and this is like you can get up and you can get from this side to the other side easily. And when you touch that, this is the health bar. Um, um, and, um, and when you touch the enemy, your health, you lose health. Um, um, okay, and yeah, this is the map for the game. And when you get to the end, there's like a finish line. And when you touch it, it will say the end. Let me shoot. Oh. And next steps. My favorite part. Oh, my favorite part about working on this project was making the roadmap. If I were to continue on this project, I would add these 3 things. Number 1, more levels. 2, different enemies. 3, game modes. Thank you.